Got the dashboard loaded up. Got the door panel loaded up. And that piece, yeah. Okay. Let's go to Stockton. Whoa, made it. Bag of tools. Yes. Yes. Yep. Look at that. It's so hot. But anyways, good morning, mother vatos. So, it's Sunday. I forgot the day, but it's Sunday. I'm off today, and I'm in Stockton. So that only means one thing. I lied. It means two things. One, I'm here for family. But most importantly, I'm here for my car. So today, we're gonna be swapping out the dash. Take the whole dash out and putting the other dash in. Yep. So, stay tuned for that. So this is what it looks like outside. I know I've showed you guys a couple times inside the house, but that's not natural lighting. It's a little dusty. But this is in like mint condition. No cracks. I know a lot of guys here in the States, or like every time you guys order it and it gets shipped to the US, something gets cracked right here or something, or there's some damage. But the only damage here is just when they took the airbag back out. That's about it. And a little flat spot right here from shipment, but it'll be alright. Other than that, look at how clean that is. That's going in. Looks pretty clean. Alright, so far this is what I got. Radio out, cluster out. Took some bolts off. I still gotta take this one off, that one off. Got these out. Got the main one out back there. So right now I'm just trying to go through all the bolts and just look at it. Or not look at it, but find all the bolts and see what I got unplugged and take off. So the airbag, so there should be like a bolt right here, and a third one right here. So I'm working on taking off the airbag. So make sure you guys, if your airbag isn't deployed yet, make sure you guys disconnect your airbag before you guys do this. I mean disconnect your negative terminal battery and then just get ready to take the airbag off. So yeah. Alright, just got the airbag out. And I'm eventually going to take this one off. I know the last one I took off, and when I was in Europe, I had cut that. So I don't think I'm going to need that. That's just going to be in the way. So I'm going to chase it, and I'm going to follow every other bolt that's on here. So yeah. Yo. So you see where so the top one, this one? So it has 1, 2, 3. So there's a bolt right there. That shit is a bitch. So look, look at my angle. Look how I gotta reach. So that one's a bitch to get to. And there's gonna be another one somewhere in there in that corner. In that corner, that's gonna be a bitch to get to. So yeah. This one. There you go. Pull. There you go. Woo! Just gotta teach him young. See that? Say hi, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Go play. Drive. Like this. Like that. So right now I got all the bolts out except for 2. I think the one I was telling you about, which was for this one, and there's another one the same thing on this side. So if you look, see how it's loose. So it's pretty loose. Oh. Can't take that off. So There we go. So I'm eventually gonna have to cut this because I can't reach back there to take off the screws. So yep. So I end up breaking this. One, because I'm not gonna use this anymore. And two, I'm not using this dashboard, so I really don't care. Let me turn the volume down. But I'm not gonna use this dashboard anymore, so I broke this. Now the next one on the driver's side, that one's gonna be a lot tougher. So give me a little bit of time, and then you can't see from there, but give me a little time. Just give me a little time to work on that real quick, and I should get it out. I should get it out within the next 5 minutes. So yeah. All right, so I broke it. It in. So I just gotta pull it out. Yay! That's it. Damn. For the rest of that. All right, now I just gotta swap the other dash on, and I should be good. It's so hot. I need a garage. Nah, but on the real though, pretty much got it mounted. So I got the main bolt here. That's gonna hold it real well. So there's 2 bolts right here, and then 2 on the other side. And I got these 2 in. So what I'm gonna do is I want to hook this one up and this one up. This is gonna be real hard to put in, so I just might only put this one in. Let me just double check everything under here and see if I need to install anything else. I will be putting the airbag in and the climate control in, so yeah. So this is what I got so far. Not so bad. This is mounted up. You just gotta be really careful with it because this is really fragile. This is for the clock. I haven't hooked the clock up yet, so I will hook it up. I just want to kind of put everything together. Cluster on. I'm gonna install the radio in a little bit, and I'm gonna put all the panels in it, and we'll see how it looks like. All right, yo. So it's almost 2:30 on a Sunday, and it's about 92 degrees here. I'm hot as heck, so I'm really sweating. I'm gonna call it quits. I was gonna at least install the carpets today and maybe the side mirrors and the door panels, since I brought the door panels with me, but since it's so hot and I don't have much time today, I'm just gonna cut it short here. I'm gonna close the video out here. So this is what I have so far. I don't have the not the dashboard, but the airbag in yet. I don't think I'm gonna put it in, since once I get everything running and whatnot, everything's coming out and getting prepped for paint anyway. So this was kind of a hassle to take off. This looks amazing right here. Look at that. Tell me that don't look like that. Looks like it's different. You know, it's not your average Civic Type R that everybody goes for, but pretty cool vent. So I can either use the vents right here with the knob down, or I can go up and I can use that. I am missing a rubber piece for it. This is a stock radio for it. It looks clean from this way, but it looks kind of stupid because of this. So I may have to get an aftermarket radio for it, but I really love the flush look for it. Look how flush and clean that is. But the thing is, this is not working right now, or maybe the wire is messed up. The clock's not set up. This is not hooked up right. So, and the light for here is not hooked up. The secret light is not hooked up. I just want to put everything together and see how it looks like, and cut it short because I'm just gonna get ready to go home because it's so hot. But everything looks amazing. So the mirror switch, if that's what you want to call it right here, that is not hooked up, so I gotta try to find a way to hook that up, because I will have power mirrored, just not power folding mirrored. So yeah, here it is for the day. Just a little something. I'll talk to her in a little bit. So yeah, so I'm just gonna close the video out right here. Hope you guys enjoy. I wish I could have put a lot more on today and done a lot more, but I don't have a garage and it's too hot. So yeah, anyways, have a good Sunday, y'all. Enjoy the rest of your week, the upcoming week. And you know, if you do like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the thumbs up, everything. So yeah, comment below. I'll conversate with you guys. Tell me what you guys think about the whole build, the whole dashboard install. More to come. So anyways, love, peace, chicken grease, deuce. Extras. Just hooked up the battery. Let's see if it'll work. Oh shit, my eyes. Fuck. So e-brake on. Well, I should start it. Fuck, dude, that shit blew in my eye. Let me start the car. Short people. No. Short people. Look how close I gotta sit. All right, let me go ahead and start it. Ooh, for the clutches. See where I'm at on fuel. See if my temp gauge end up working later. Ooh, RPM gauge. Look at that, I have one now. Yes. Oh, fucking dirty. I still gotta hook this one up. Not hooked up, not hooked up. So yeah, let it warm up for a little bit and see if this one works. Never mind. I forgot that my engine coolant temp sensor on the engine is faulty, so that's not gonna work. On the real though, peace, love, chicken grease. Thank y'all for everything. Much love. Happy Sunday. Enjoy your whole week. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you. I love y'all. Keep watching. Do what you do. Deuce.